Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add future glass on Capcut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Capcut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And after this, if you wanna add future glass on Capcut, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on a body effect, and then at the menu you can click on the hardware, click on it, and in here you can swipe down until you can see future glass, this one. So you just click on it, and then in here you just click on a check icon. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the color. This one. Okay. And after this, in here you can click check icon at the bottom. And finish. So that's how to add future glass on Capcut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.